In this video, I am going to show you how you can get a crypto loan of any amount from kucoin. Whether you want US dollars, Bitcoin, Worldcoin, or you want any currency. I am today going to show you how you can get a loan from kucoin. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, welcome back to Dev Tech YouTube channel. In this video, as I've said that I'm going to show you how you can get a crypto loan from kucoin using your smartphone from anywhere. But before we get started, if you're new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscription button, liking this video, and also leaving a comment in case you watch this video and you don't understand anything or you want me to show you any other thing. Let's get started with our tutorial. Right, you come to your app. Now from up here, you must see that you're in the exchange, not wallet. Then down here also, you have to come to the trades. You leave a home market, then you come to trades. As of course, I say that this money that you're going to borrow from here, you can use it for trading and get more money. Now from here, we shall go and click on cross margin. Now when you tap on cross margin is where we can see the loan options. Now from here also, you can see that you don't have any loan option from here. Even if you scroll down here, you can see you don't have any loan option. Now all you have to do is to click on your dots here, these three dots on your top right hand corner. Tap on them. Now when you tap on them, you can see down here we have the borrow button. Now if you borrow this money, you can repay using these very steps. Then now as we want to borrow, we click on borrow. Now from borrow here, we are also having two options. Of course, there is borrow and repay. Now if you want to repay, just do the same also and you come here. Now if you want to repay, you click on repay, but since we want to borrow, we shall leave it at borrow here. Now there are two ways you can borrow. There is cross margin, then there is isolated margin. Now when we want to borrow from cross margin, we leave it at cross margin. Then from US dollars here, we tap on it. Now when we tap on it, we change. We want to buy, we want to borrow a different coin. For example, let me select BAT. Now when I want to borrow BAT, and here we have the net asset is this, then the leverage is 5 times, then minimum loan is 0. I don't still qualify because I rarely use this account. Then we have borrowed, I have 0. Then best daily interest rate will be 0.0013%. Now if we want to borrow, you just click on maximum and it shows you here. Then the minimum that you're supposed to borrow is 10, like that, as you can see. Now if I enter like that, now I will just click on borrow, but since I am not yet having the eligibility, I cannot borrow. Now let's check on isolated margin. If you want to borrow from isolated margin, come and click on isolated. Now from here we have BAT and this one. This is BAT because I selected it from cross margin. That's why you're seeing BAT is there. Now if we want, just come and click on isolated margin. Then here it is this BAT / USDT is what we want to borrow. But of course, if you want a different coin, we look for it. Here we buy like USDT / we look for WLD. I like Worldcoin. So Worldcoin here, then now it gives us 10% leverage. Then the minimum loan is that, the borrowed is 0, then the daily interest rate is that one. Here also the same, you click on maximum, then the minimum is 10 is what you're supposed to enter, is the minimum. Now if you enter that down here, you can see that this is the amount of USD that you're going to get. That is 9.99 because they have already chopped something small for the interest. That is how you're going to do it. Then after, you click on borrow and you complete the process. Now if you want to repay, you just follow that procedure, then you come on repay. Then from repay, we shall select which one do you want to repay. If you USDT, we enter here, then we enter the amount. We borrowed $10. This is what we are going to get. Then we click on repay and it is going to take you to other steps. Please follow all those steps in case you borrow money from kucoin and you want to repay. So that is how you can pay this loan from kucoin and how you can, so that is how you can get a loan from kucoin and how you can repay it
back.
Right, that is all how you can get a crypto loan of any amount or any currency from KuCoin. This is a new way or updated video on how you can get a crypto loan from KuCoin. Now, if you have not understood anything from this video, please rewatch this video and also leave a comment under this video description so that I can take you through on what you need me to do for you. Let's meet again in the next coming video.